Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Blair from Barbie, the Princess Charm School, and Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the outfit look like this, and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle, this one, and also this one. And for this one, you can change the toggle to back and remove the flower. And I'm going to show you the color. Okay, you can use this color code. And then you're going to go to this top area. It's right here. And then you're going to select this top and change the toggle to full length. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color. You're going to make it this pink color. Oops, sorry. You can make it this pink color and change the material to voile. Okay, and sorry guys, I forgot to tell you the necklace. You can choose this necklace and then toggle it to and choose this necklace, and for the color just make it pink like this. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, which is right here, and then I'm going to choose the skirt, and we're going to choose the only skirt, and then we're going to apply the same pink color. Okay, and make it all pink, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, just make it glitter like this. All right, and then you're going to choose this skirt as well, and again make it pink and change the material to glitter. Wait, I'm going to make it glitter. And sorry for my glitter guys, because sometimes it's not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and I'm going to choose this heel as well, and I'm going to make it this pink color for the first selection and also for the second selection. All right, and the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this skirt. Wait. Okay guys, you can choose this skirt and you're going to color it with the same pink color for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the third selection, you're going to make it this color. Oops, sorry. For the third selection, make it this color, and you're going to change the material to glitter. Just make them all glitter. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, and the last one, it's time to put on tiara. So you need to go to the VIP room. But if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another accessory. Okay, I'm just going to put on this tiara, and I'm going to change the color of the diamond. Okay, for the diamond, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Princess Blair from Barbie, the Princess Charm School, and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!